Prashant Bhushan has sought registration of an FIR against CBI Chief Ranjit Sinha for criminal misconduct in connection with Dairy Gate. Meenakshi Bhanja joins us with more details. Yes, Meenakshi.
Anand, yes, he has just made a written complaint to the anti-corruption wing seeking the registration of a FIR for criminal misconduct. That is the primary charge. Other charges he has made out by way of invoking Section 217 and 218 of the Indian Penal Code. Essentially, this is as a follow-up and taking forward as the next logical conclusion step to what all we saw happen in the Supreme Court. And after the Supreme Court instructed Ranjit Sinha to step aside from the 2G investigations and trial process, Prashant, in continuum of that, has taken this step and has approached the anti-corruption wing, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Delhi government, and sought registration of FIR against Director CBI Ranjit Sinha. Anand.
So, has there been a response to that? Is he going to go to the police station and file an FIR or seek an FIR himself, or is it just something which he's spoken over the press conference to the media?
Well, Anand, a complaint has been made, and Prashant Bhushan, we are being given to understand, is very confident of having FIR registered because all the conditions of an FIR are met vis-a-vis Ranjit Sinha. Given all that has transpired so far, he was able to convince the Supreme Court basis, the arguments which were advanced by Special Public Prosecutor Anand Grover, wherein two specific indiscretions found favor with the Supreme Court. Of course, we know the Supreme Court restrained itself from passing a detailed order on this one because it said it did not wish to tarnish the integrity of the institution. But clearly, there were two aspects to this case. One pertaining to the Ranjit Sinha's developments or Ranjit Sinha's intentions of filing certain new facts in the 2G case, which was that time hotly disputed by Special Public Prosecutor U.U. Lalit, who then went on to become the Supreme Court judge. So that one aspect, and the other aspect pertaining to Santosh Rastogi as to how Ranjit Sinha constantly became an obstacle in the way of Santosh Rastogi, who the Supreme Court had ordered to be a part of the 2G investigations. So,
to whom has he filed this complaint? And Meenakshi, can you hear me?
Yes, Anand.
To whom has he filed this complaint?
Anand, this complaint has been made to the anti-corruption wing of the Delhi government, which looks after cases as these. And Prashant has made a complaint seeking a registration of a FIR basis. Primary charge that he has invoked is that of criminal misconduct. Alongside other subsidiary charges have also been invoked, which is in the purview of Indian Penal Code, Sections 217 and 218. And he is confident of having a FIR made out basis all the developments that we have seen in the Supreme Court, and we saw how he was able to convince the Supreme Court about indiscretions that had indeed taken place in the 2G case, which prompted the Supreme Court to direct the CBI director to recuse himself from the trial and the investigations. And basis that fact,
right,
he feels it is a sure case of having a FIR registered.
Thanks for that, Meenakshi.